slow down.
I mean, we had to spend $20.
$10.
Right? No, 10. I mean, 10. We're on the choo-choo train. Woo!
Look at the guy standing there.
Well, look, kids. Hey.
We're going under the bridge. Look, the bridge is coming, Travis. That's how we got here. We're going under the bridge.
You see bridge?
Yuck. I want this guy now.
Okay, just don't drop him on the floor.
Feels like such a heavy train full. You're just going. I love him, his little Sonic. It's really cute. Little hedgehog. Oh, it's picking up speed. Look at that.
Wow, wow. Whoa, my kids are going to go down there because it's too much speed. Kids,
The dust and the smell.
go over here.
What is it?
Smell goes back.
Hey! Hey!
That was you.
Ollie! My! Hey!
Nice
No, no.
boy. It's not an ugly boy.
Hey!
You used to do the same thing.
Let me
You're
Oh!
running the speed of a train.
He went faster.
Whoa!
Same thing. I picture of him standing by this fence and looking at the train. Is he running to the bathroom? Maybe that's why he's running. Maybe that's why.
Kids! Don't worry. It's not safe up
Go
here.
to the bathroom. There he is. Here he is again.
Hi! Come on, pick up the speed, guy. Pick up the speed.
Oh, you don't want Sonic?
He's going down. Kids, I have 4 kids. Oh, yeah, actually I have 5. 5's correct.
These are all the trains. You just look at them outside. These are run all around here. They can't get inside. It's just outside.
Hey!
Look at the kids do it.
Oh!
Gosh.
People are having a birthday party there, so you can have a party here too.
Kids, it's safe. For you to not come out. It's not safe, kids. Yeah, this is too wild. Yeah.
We're almost completing one round. We get to go one more time. That's pretty good.
That's the max, kids. Are we even? The kid is. Look at the smoke.
Yeah.
The kid, look at the.
Maybe, huh?
Hey! What the? The kid is all the way over there.
He's running faster than the train.
Too fast.
Freezing. Wow.
Hey! Guy has the sunglasses on.
There he is. He's still going. Stop by the fence.
Oh, bye!
We're gonna go again one more time.
Bye, Jurassic World
They still do it
dinosaur.
like they used to. It's usually twice around. Unless they changed it, but it should be twice around. $3 $6 for you guys and 4 for me. That's pretty good. You can't expect that much. You get a train ride. That's not too bad. Twice around.
Kids, are you okay?
Oh, it's like Majuka says, especially fun.
Hey.
The other one is more scenic, the other train ride. Well, this is a longer train, I think, or something. I don't know. It's just a different place to go. Oh. So you here for like 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours. Parece que desce, né? Não tinha que dar coisa ali, Oh. Thanks, baby. Are you feeling better?
Yeah.
Good, I'm happy.
We kissed on the lips tonight, baby. Around the train, around the bridge. I wonder if that kid was gonna try to run again.
I don't know. I don't see him. He's probably making his way over here, though.
He might be going our direction over here.
Maybe. Oh, is that him? You think he's playing on the track? Yeah.
Oh,
It starts to get faster here.
baby shark.
You're the baby shark.
Kids, it's not safe. Kids, it's not safe. It's not safe. It's not safe. Well, this is one of my longest videos ever. Look, it's still going.
Yeah.
It's still going. And it doesn't show storage is full.
Yeah, that's good news.
How can it last this much?
What is it, Mom? Oh, it's cold.
Very cool.
And it's cold for a kiss night. Lips. Whips.
On the whip.
Whips. Oh, somebody's waving.
Oh, there's somebody else waving a little bit.
This is where that kid was chasing us.
That was fun. He was just having an adventure. I got you.
Oh, kids, are you safe or okay? I have a hole in my shirt.
I know. Don't make it bigger. Then you can't wear it out anywhere.
I just want to show it. They can't see. Oh, it's still not showing storage is full. Kids, are you okay?
At least can stato when you see I'm not
Kids, is this safe?
Look at those people.
Look! Hong Kong! Yee! Hong Kong! On the right is bad! Ah! I'm the kid again!
The kid. How cute he came out.
They keep us in Toronto.
Yeah, I know. It is a smaller one.
A snark! Jump the fence! Hi! I'm jump the fence!
No.
Jump the fence!
Okay, let's look at the end.
And it still doesn't show storage is full or anything. This is a good
amazing.
night for a party night. That's
Babies, because we're here already.
Yeah, get your babies ready to leave. We gotta get off the train.
Yeah, I have two, you have two.
Let's go! Shh! Get up! Let's get up. 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 Oh, come on.
Don't do that. Watch your head. Yes.
And like and subscribe. Wow.